Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of system design. So today we will be studying about the second pillar of OOPS, which is polymorphism. So it is a concept in which an object or entity can take on multiple different forms or behaviors. And polymorphism allows a single name, which is a function or operator, to have different meanings or behaviors. So let's take a real world example in which a person can be a father, employee and husband at the same time. There are two types of polymorphism, which first is runtime polymorphism, which is also known as dynamic binding or late binding, in which there is one particular type which is method overriding. What happens is, let's say we have a parent class which is animals and it has a function make sound. We inherited this animal class in two subclasses, which is dogs and cats. They are overriding the same method which is make sound, and in dogs it is printing bark, whereas in cats it is printing meow. This is runtime polymorphism. Then we have compile time polymorphism, which is static binding or early binding, in which we have method function overriding. So multiple function with the same name but different parameters lists can exist within the same scope, each performing a different action. Here we have three functions, which is int add, double add and int add, in which we are adding three integers. So here we have three functions with the same name but different parameters. So how do they work? So let's say if we create two integers, first and second, and we call the function add with two parameters, first and second. In this case it will be calling the first function, and in the second case if we have three integers and we are calling the add function, then it will call the third function, and in case of double it will call the second function, which is double add. So this is all about polymorphism.